Introducing the Leoyoubei Double Cupcake Container. This deep cupcake carrier holder box is perfect for transporting and displaying your delicious cupcakes. Made from sturdy PET plastic, this container offers plenty of space for your decorated cupcakes. With a length of 7 inches, a width of 4 inches, and a height of 4 inches, it can accommodate cupcakes of various sizes. The top compartment has a diameter of 2 inches, while the bottom compartment has a diameter of 2.5 inches. The back hinge of this cupcake container is incredibly tough, allowing you to open and close it multiple times without worry of breaking. The single bar lock in the front keeps the container securely closed, yet is easy to open when needed. Not only is the Leoyoubei Double Cupcake Container perfect for cupcakes, but it's also great for cakes within 2 to 2.25 inches. You can reuse the container after cleaning, eliminating the need for additional sealing stickers. With 20 compartments, this cupcake container is ideal for serving double-layer cupcakes and muffin holders. The transparent PET plastic material enhances product visibility, making it perfect for displaying your cakes and cupcakes. Whether you're hosting a baby shower, wedding, bridal shower, birthday party, holiday gathering, or a cake sale, this cupcake container is a convenient and stylish option. It can also be used for packaging candies, fruits, and dried fruits. Transporting your cupcakes has never been easier thanks to the Leoyoubei Double Cupcake Container. The stackable and locking design ensures that your cupcakes arrive untouched at their destination. These clear containers beautifully display decorated cupcakes with tall frosting. You can showcase them in bakeries, deli shops, dessert shops, or party celebrations such as weddings, birthdays, or anniversaries. Your guests will be delighted by the attractive cupcakes presented in these containers. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and international users may require an adapter or converter. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Order the Leoyoubei Double Cupcake Container now and ensure that your cupcakes are transported and displayed with care and style.